Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College, Nusharaf Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, in last lecture we discussed some pointing devices. So one of them we discussed based on the mouse, and today we are going to discuss some other pointing devices that are discussed here. Number one is touchpad. Number second one is touch screen. Third one is joystick, and fourth one is light pen. So dear students, the devices that I have named just now are known as pointing devices. Pointing devices are used to point the computer or point the cursor to move in any direction. So dear students, first of all we are going to discuss about the touchpad, that what is the function of the touchpad and where touchpads are mostly used. Dear students, touchpad is also one of the pointing devices that is a symbol in the size flat surface with buttons. Even touchpads are available on the laptop. So dear students, here the picture that you see that is circled with the red line is known as the touchpad. Dear students, also on the touchpad both right and left buttons are available just like the mouse buttons. So these buttons are used to move the cursor to left and right sides, and also we can rotate the cursor by moving the finger on the touchpad just like a ball rotates in a mechanical mouse. So here dear student, this one is known as touchpad, and this works like the mouse on the laptop. So dear students, touchpad is mostly used on the laptops. And dear students, second we are going to discuss on the touch screen. Touch screen is also known as input and output device. Touch screen is mostly used in mobile phones, ATM machines, and also even laptops. So dear students, in today's modern period of computer state, some latest laptops are available in the market which are touch screen sensitive. So dear students, touch screen is mostly used on mobile phones. Touch screen is used on ATM machines, and touch screen is also used in laptops. Secondly, we are going to discuss about the joystick. That joystick is one of the input devices which has a vertical lever mounted on a base. Lever moves the directions or moves the cursor in different directions. So joysticks are mostly used in playing games, flight simulation programs, and to control robots. So for these purposes, joysticks are used to play games and flight simulation programs and to control the robots. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the light pen. That light pen is also one of the input devices. Light pen is also known as input device. It looks like a normal pen connected to the computer. It is used to select the items on the screen, and it can also be moved by hand over a pad to enter drawings into the computer. So dear students, for entering the drawings, a light pen is also used. So dear students, the topic that we have discussed is based on the pointing devices. One of them that is based on the mouse we discussed in the previous lecture, and remaining there are subtopics based on the pointing devices that we have discussed here. And now I am going to give you some homework. That homework is based on these Devices that the pictures that are present on your book page number 16. These are the pictures based on these pictures represents touchpad on laptop, a touch screen and a light pen. Dear students, you have to collect the pictures of the said topic that may not be on your book page number. It means you will have to collect the pictures of the said topics, touchpad, touch screen, joystick and light pen, except these pictures and send me on our WhatsApp group. So dear students, you will collect the pictures except these pictures, and your pictures may be based on touchpad, touch screen, joystick and light pen, and you will have to send these pictures to our WhatsApp group. Be stay at your home, be safe and secure. We will meet in next lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.